Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to share with you some of what was going on with my yard a little while back. It had these nasty splotches in them, and from what I could see, it was probably mold. Some of it maybe from overwatering, but there were patches of grass that just didn't take. We had someone come and put the yard in for us, and there were these sections. And so luckily, it was pretty easy for most of it. The sod itself just lifted right back up. It's like it wasn't taking and planting in. So I ended up using 9 rolls of sod that I got on trade and just had to replace each section there. So now it's coming in really good, and I used the IFA fertilizer, the little 4-step stuff that they have. It worked really well, and so as you can see now, it's looking pretty good and it's growing in strong. So anyway, that's just the best way that I had to take care of it, was to actually just get rolls of sod and lift up the old ones, throw them out, and be careful because it could have had some mold and stuff you don't want to breathe. But I was able to pretty easily clean it out and put new sod down in its place, and it's taking really well now. And so anyway, just wanted to share this with you and let you know what I did to take care of it, and that was just replacing the sod itself. At this point, I don't think that the grass would have come back on its own, so I think that was the best option. Good dog. If you enjoyed this video and want to see some of my other videos that I have on home improvement and some of those projects that I've done, please check the video description and I'll put a full playlist in there. And as always, thanks for watching.